Hi, this is Justin Liu. Welcome to Kape't Insurance, where we talk about everything general insurance over coffee. Our guest for today's episode is Mr. Ricky Santa Ana, VP for Regional Operations of Mercantile. And we are going to be explaining everything about your motor car insurance policy. Let's go! Hi, Sir Ricky. Thanks for being our guest today at Kape't Insurance.
Thank you, Sir Justin. Thank you for considering me for this segment. It would be a privilege.
Great. So, alam nyo naman na maraming mga taong may car insurance policy pero hindi lang naintindihan yung mga detalye. Like myself, bago ko napasok sa insurance industry, syempre insured yung kotse ko pero hindi ko alam yung mga detalye. Alam ko lang kung magkano binabayaran eh.
Yes.
So, I think for this episode, yun yung pag-uusapan natin. To start off, ano ba pinagkaiba ng CTPL saka comprehensive?
Okay. CTPL is a government-mandated insurance required by LTO to all registered vehicles. So, before you register your vehicle, you are required to get this insurance from all IC registered or licensed insurance companies. So this insurance protects you against any third party or legal liability in case makasagasa ka ng tao or bodily injury.
Okay.
So not all car owners or the public knows about the importance of this coverage.
So basically, ano siya, required para makapag-rehistro ka ng kotse?
Yes, it's a requirement to register your vehicles, and also the importance of this is yun nga, in case makasagasa ka, you are confident na hindi ka naman madedehado in case of you will be needing medical expenses.
So kino-cover niya yung pag na-aksidente yung tao na nasagasaan mo.
Yes. If
pero
you accidentally hit
yung
a person.
kotse, kunyari yung nakasagasa ka ng kotse, na damage mo yung kotse, na damage mo yung property, hindi covered yun.
Hindi covered yun. So hitting another property is not covered under the CTPL.
Okay.
It covers only bodily injury.
Bodily injury. And up to magkano?
The mandated coverage is 100,000.
Okay.
Yes, so again, that you can get that from all registered insurance companies from the Insurance Commission.
Si comprehensive naman,
Comprehensive, ang kino-cover naman ito is yung own unit mo. So in case you incur damage or makabangga ka or accidentally you hit your own gate or another vehicle, you are covered for this using this own damage insurance. So yung own unit mo ang kino-cover mo.
So we have a copy here of a comprehensive insurance car policy. Maybe you can go through the details of the coverages and explain to us, Sir Ricky.
So in this policy, there's a subline called coverage. So in this coverage, we have at least 6 covered items here. So we'll start with the own damage. So own damage covers your own unit against any damage that will be incurred accidentally.
Okay.
By you or by any authorized driver. So that's for own damage. For example, here the amount insured is 207. Means your vehicle is insured up to 200.
207,000.
7,000.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And the next one is theft. Theft, the most common incident of theft loss is carnapping. And some incidences as well, pag merong mga valuable items in the car and merong accidentally na nag-burglarize sa vehicle mo at nawala yung mga valuable items na yun, that can be covered under theft as well.
So, ibig sabihin nun, kung kahit na hindi yung kotse ko yung nanakaw, pag kunyari may nagbasag nung salamin, plus may kinuhang gamit,
valuable items or
covered siya.
Yes, you can claim that from your insurance policy as well.
Okay.
Yes. And the next one is the excess bodily injury. This will correspond to your CTPL. So, as we mentioned a while ago, sa CTPL, ang coverage is to 100,000. So, in case of a bodily injury accident, no, nag-incur ka ng medical expenses.
Ito yung bodily injury sa ibang tao.
Ibang tao, third party.
Third party
bodily injury.
Okay.
Yeah. And if so happen, yung injury niya medyo serious and medical expenses is more than 100,000, you can get the excess of that 100,000 from this excess bodily injury in your comprehensive policy.
Wow.
So,
this is very good kasi 100,000 maliit lang kapag nakasagasa ka na ospital.
yes.
At syempre, lalagpas yan sa 100,000. So, ito yung kino-cover.
Yes, in excess of that. Yeah. Kasi may rehabilitation time din minsan yung medication ng injury. So, more expenses will be incurred. So, you can claim up to 300,000 in excess of 100,000.
Okay.
And the other one is property damage. Sa property damage, this is you mentioned a while ago, if ever you hit another property, another unit or another property, a fence, a gate, or a wall of another property, you can claim through this property damage coverage. Up to, in this case, 300,000.
So ito covered yung property ko, kahit anong property.
Third-party property.
Third party. So, property na ibang tao. Nang nabangga ko or whatever.
Third party, yes.
Okay.
So, the premium for these two coverages, the bodily injury and the property damage, is also government mandated. So, meron tong table that we follow. So, lahat ng insurance companies follows the same premium for this coverage. The next one is auto passenger. This covers the passenger of your vehicle. In case you will have an accident and medyo unfortunately nag-cause ng death sa mga passengers, this will respond. In this case, 250,000 for 5 passengers. So
kailan ba death or kunyari nabalian or what?
Meron ding medical reimbursement in case meron lang not all claims are due to death. Minsan nagkaroon lang ng injury, so merong medical expenses to be incurred. They can get a medical reimbursement up to 10% of the coverage. So 10% of 50,000 is 5,000.
Pero itong auto passenger basically more on
the
death.
Passenger.
More on
death and medical reimbursement.
Okay.
Yes.
So ito ano yun, kunwari, meron akong sedan, nagsakay ako ng 5 tao, lahat sila covered.
Yes. Including the driver.
Including the driver. Pero, paano kung mas marami sa 5 tao sa kotse ko? Paano yun?
Ang i-cover pa lang din natin is yung maximum seating capacity lang ng isang vehicle. So that's what is followed by the insurance companies.
So depende sa seating capacity ng kotse.
Maximum seating capacity.
Okay. And you said up to 50,000. Kaya ito, 250,000 yung amount insured dito kasi sedan to na 5-seater.
Yes. In this case, it's a Kia Rio.
Gets.
Pero if you're insuring a van, 12-seater to 14-seater, so 14 persons din ang pwede mong i-insure, passengers for that matter. The next one will be the acts of nature. So this covers your vehicle from any damages or loss due to natural calamities. So like flood or typhoon or earthquake. Usually, ang acts of nature is an optional cover. If you don't want to pay more, you can opt to not include it in your comprehensive policy. Pero mostly, kapag mortgage ang vehicle, nire-require ng bank na merong acts of nature.
Importante na rin ang acts of nature ngayon no?
Yes. This started with Ondoy way back in 2009. A lot of vehicles were damaged due to massive flooding in Metro Manila at that time.
Saka mura lang yung additional na bayad para sa acts of nature compared dun sa makukuha mong coverage di ba?
Yes, so it's quite practical to include na rin acts of nature to make it more comprehensive na rin.
Ano naman tong deductible? Ano ibig sabihin na?
Deductible is, for example, ito yung share mo in case of magkaroon ka ng claim. Siyempre, kailangan may konting responsibility din ng ang owner. So, for example, in this case, may deductible tayo na 2,000 sa own damage.
Okay.
For example, you have a claim and the repair estimate or the evaluation will be around 20,000. So, ang claimable amount mo lang will be 18,000 because you will shoulder the 2,000.
Okay,
So
okay.
that is the deductible.
Okay. Siyempre, itong mga coverages, meron siyang corresponding na premium.
Yes,
Diba?
yes.
Pwede ko bang i-adjust itong coverage? So, kunwari, gusto ko mas malaki yung coverage ng theft or mas malaki yung property damage. Pwede ba?
Yes, yes. Ang cardinal rule dyan is yung sa property damage mo and bodily injury cannot go over the value of your vehicle.
Okay.
So, pero in this case, medyo mas malaki ang bodily injury niya over the value of the vehicle. So, pwede naman i-adjust. So, may corresponding adjustment din sa premium kung higher coverages ang require mo.
Okay. That makes sense. You want higher coverage, you pay a little more.
Yes, yes.
Great. So why are prices different from different insurers? Like minsan magsha-shopping ako, tatanungin ko tong iba-ibang nagbebenta insurance, yung iba mas mura, yung iba mas mahal. Bakit iba and mas okay ba yung mas mahal or pag mas mura ibig sabihin nun hindi okay?
Well, it depends on the appetite of the insurance company. So it's usually management directive yan kung ano talaga yung line that they would like to sell. If they would like to be very aggressive sa motor car, so they could be flexible din sa kanilang mga terms. And in your question na hindi porket mura, hindi maganda. No. Again, it depends on the appetite and the market and the management directive of the insurance company.
Okay. So, hindi nga porke mura, hindi siya okay.
Yes, hindi siya reliable.
Hindi din porke mas mahal, mas okay siya.
Yes. Yes.
Kailangan tingnan natin yung mga coverage.
Yes.
And yung mga premium.
Yes, yes. And with this, I think it's important to choose the right insurance company.
Yeah.
And or the right insurance agent for your requirements.
That's good. Kaya din natin in-explain itong mga detalye para makita nung mga tao, ito yung mga kino-cover, ito yung nag-affect sa presyo.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Yeah. Good, good.
And also, one thing that affects the price is the usage of the vehicle. So, if your vehicle is used commercially for your business, it's a higher rate compared to a personally used vehicle.
Okay, okay.
So, that also affects the premium.
So, what other things does comprehensive insurance come with? Meron bang mga other kasama siya?
Well, most of the motor car insurance comes with a roadside assistance. No? So, in case, for some reason, nagkaroon ka ng accident and kailangan mo ng what you call this, towing services or kailangan mo ng ambulance, there is a hotline number that will be given to you when you get your policy, and you can call that number for assistance to send you a towing car or ambulance in case of injury. Yeah. So most of the insurance companies are carrying this additional assistance or extension sa motor car.
That makes sense din kasi pag na-aksidente ka, syempre kailangan mo ng tulong.
Yes.
Kailangan mo papunta sa repair shop or kailangan mo ng tulong pumunta sa hospital or something.
Yeah. Malaking bagay yung may assistance ka at least hindi ka mag-worry. Yeah.
So, what would you say is the most important thing to consider when purchasing car insurance?
Well, again, the reliability of the insurance company is important. Or, again, if you have a trusted insurance agent that you know of, and you find the insurance agent to be reliable, you can also look into that. No? Kasi the industry is an agent-driven industry, agent-driven market. So most of the insured are passing through an agent or through an intermediary.
Okay.
So in that case, we have individual agents, we have agencies, we have brokers, and we have online platforms to get these insurance services.
Maraming mga insurance company, maraming mga pwedeng bilhan na ahente, kailangan medyo reliable sila. Kasi syempre pag bumibili ako, I buy insurance in case na magkaroon ng unfortunate accident. Kailangan maasikas, matutulungan nila ako.
Yes. And mostly these agents are already connected na with various insurance companies that they know and trust already.
So it's important for people who want insurance to also do their research.
Yes.
Okay. And since you mentioned agents, brokers, can you tell us a bit more about where I can buy insurance? Ano yung mga channels na pwede akong bumili?
Well, aside from the traditional agents and brokers, nowadays the digital age na, no? So you can also purchase your insurance through online platform, like for example, I Choose or I-Compare Mo. These are the known ones in the digital platform, online insurance selling. Yes.
And these are partnered with our company,
Yes,
Mercantile?
yes.
Okay.
They are one of our biggest producers for Mercantile.
Okay. Great. And we also have on-the-ground agents, and we have several branches naman.
Yes, we have at least 800 agents actively selling for us, nationwide. Yes.
Great. So,
and the top brokers also as well are accredited with us.
So it's safe to say na if people want to insure with Mercantile, they can just tell their agent or go online and choose Mercantile.
Yes, for the reliability as well.
Yeah, great. I think actually we covered a lot of things, and I'm sure a lot of our viewers out there will ask about claims naman and how do I claim, repair shops. We will be covering this in another segment of Kape't Insurance. So for now, I think we've covered the motor policy, and thank you for clarifying everything for us, Sir Ricky.
Thank you as well, Sir Justin, for the opportunity.
Really appreciate your time.
Thank you as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.